Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the issue of 7-Eleven rewards points not showing in the app. First, make sure that you're logged in into the correct 7-Eleven account. Sometimes users accidentally sign in with a different email or phone number, which can cause the rewards balance to appear missing. Next, refresh the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it. Wait for a few hours and then reopen it. This helps the app to reload your account information and update the latest rewards data. Then, you should also check your internet connection to ensure that it's stable, since the rewards section needs a connection to sync with the server. Another helpful step is to log out of the app and then log back in again. This refreshes your account session and often updates your rewards balance. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the app, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, because outdated versions may not display the reward correctly. If your points still do not appear, wait a while. Sometimes rewards point take a short time to update after a purchase, so if the problem continues, you may need to contact 7-Eleven support to check your rewards account. If this video helped you, do not forget